Hi guys, good day. This is Jay from Pageant Trade. I'm here now with Miss Universe of Philippines Isabella 2025. Of course, with Jarina Sandu.
Hi
Hi.
everyone!
So how are you right after the press presentation?
I'm feeling great because I believe that I did my best to make my province of Isabela proud of me.
Grabe no, you look like Atisa Manalo and our
Oh,
Miss Universe Harna
mm,
S. Sandu, diba?
mm.
So how do you feel about that comparing to other beauty queens?
It's truly flattering to be compared with our very own Miss Universe Harnaz Sandu and with Miss Atisa Manalo because they are really beautiful. They are great women. But as much as I'm trying to make my own identity, I want to be known as my having my own character, to be known as Jarina Sandu as well. And I believe that I have my own story to tell.
All
Yeah.
right. So your surname is Sandu.
Yeah, actually, I'm biracial. I am Filipino Indian. My mother is pure Indian, while my father is half Filipino and half Indian. So, in short, I am one fourth Filipino. I always say this that I'm Indian by blood and Filipino by heart. Yeah.
Ayun. So, during your Queen of Isabella journey, how will you describe it?
I was described as woman of courage. Yeah, because I started to go out from my comfort zone, and from there, I faced my fears.
So, do you undergo training for this journey?
Yeah, I have to undergo a lot of trainings for me to improve because I always believe that there's always a room for improvement for us to grow more and to learn more.
And talking about room for improvements, what is it?
I guess I need to improve my body, yeah, and my comm skills. Yeah.
All right. And you've seen all your Miss Universe sisters. So, what can you say about them?
They are all beautiful, they are all great, and I'm excited to create more bondings and share sisterhood with them. Yeah.
Do you feel the competition?
As of the moment, instead of feeling the competition and pressuring myself, I'm focusing on growth or on happiness and on the bands that we can have.
You have a lot of followers and supporters on
Oh,
social media platform, on your social media platform. So,
yeah.
what's the secret of having more supporters?
I don't know what's the secret about this, but I guess I am that person, I'm that woman who is sticking to my core because I know where I came from, who I am, and I guess because of that, there are a lot of people that are following me, that are supporting me, and I always believe that this is because of God. Yeah.
And you're one of the front runners in this
Oh,
year's Miss Universe Philippines. So,
mm.
how do you feel about it?
I'm feeling great because there are a lot of people that are considering me as a front runner. But before, I don't consider myself as a front runner because baguhan, there's a lot of veterans that are coming back to join again in the pageantry. So I didn't expect me to be one of the trend, one of the crowd's favorite. So I'm really, really thankful for those people who are continuing to support me. Yeah.
This is for the benefits of your fans and supporters, and to those who are not yet know about yours, of course. So, what do you do prior of joining the competition?
I'm a fourth year student. I'm a graduating student, so I'm having my on the job training here at Sampaloc, Manila. I am training to become a flight attendant po, yeah.
What's your height, dear?
My height is 5'8",
Age?
21.
Oh, nice. And what do you think is your advantage aside from your beauty, of course, the height, and as well as your personality? What else?
My story. If you will go deeper on my story, you will know where I came from, who I really am. Yeah.
And we all know that joining Miss Universe Philippines, one thing for sure is to have your own advocacy. So could you please tell us about your advocacy?
Okay, my advocacy is all about sustainable development goal number one and number two. It is all about poverty and zero hunger. If you will ask me why did I go through with that advocacy or with that topic, with that kind of problem, because of my life experiences, because I came from a very, very humble beginning.
Uh,
Yeah, so I am here not to prove, but I want to lift up the family status that I have.
and
Yeah.
what piece of advice would you like to share to those who wants to follow your footsteps?
Okay, I want to encourage everyone to always cherish your dreams and never give up because God has a better plan for us. Yeah.
And we all know that we are celebrating this month, Love Month. So I
Okay.
have a question for you. Love or crown?
I should say right now, oh my gosh, I can say that I'm focusing more on my career while having love.
Wow, bongga. It's really.
Because I always believe that love can wait. But I'm pushing more on my career because of my family.
And one last thing, your message to your fans and supporters, and as well as the persons behind your Miss Universe Philippines journey.
I want to thank them from the bottom of my heart because I always tell this to everyone that I will not be here standing in front of you joining the Miss Universe if someone didn't believe in me. So yeah, I'm doing this for you all and I won't let you down. Laban, Isabella.
And especially this is to all Isabelinos.
I want to thank everyone for loving me and supporting me. Your unending effort will have a victory. Okay, salamat po sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta sa akin. Lagi ko nga pong sinasabi, wala ako rito ngayon kung hindi dahil sa inyo. Salamat sa pagpupush sa akin, salamat sa patuloy na pagtitiwala. And dinaasahan ko na hanggang sa dulo-dulo ng journey kong ito, patuloy niyo akong sasamahan. And I'm asking for your prayers because prayers are powerful. Agyaman, Isabella.
Ayan. And promote your social media platforms. Where can they follow you on your journey?
Okay, you can follow me on my Facebook page, which is Jarina Kumari Sandu, and you can also follow me on my Facebook account, Jarina Sandu, and on my IG, Sandu Jarina, and on my TikTok, Jarina Sandu.
All right. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Jarina.
thank you for
It's
having
nice
me.
to see you here in
Nice to
Manila,
see you too.
competing in Miss Universe Philippines, and we wish you best of luck
Thank you.
and enjoy every moment and every
Yeah.
competition here.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you, dear.